Hi guys, it's Toby Agbejimi, your friend in the neighborhood CPA with Doba Tax and Accounting LLC, based right here in Newark, New Jersey on Lyons Avenue. I have a quick information to share with you. You know, my information is always quick. And the information is about a 2021 Recovery Rebate Credit. It's called Economic Impact Payment, or everyone knew it as stimulus at the time. And this was the money that was paid out. Remember when there was COVID and we got 3 payments? Yes. This is with respect to the 3rd tranche of payments that was released. The IRS did some research. And last year, precisely in December, they disbursed about $2.4 billion out to individuals who did not receive their stimulus for the 2021 period. The maximum amount to be received at this time was $1,400, and that's also the maximum amount that is being disbursed to any individual. The amount would vary based on your adjusted gross income, as it was even then when it was being processed and sent out. I'll give you a little background. The IRS realized that when they looked at 2021 return of a lot of tax, of some tax preparers, they realized that on the spot where the part of the return that asked if they received recovery rebates or this money, they add 0 on there, or some didn't even respond at all. So the IRS realized that, then I guess that made them to start doing more research, and they realized that so many people that were eligible for this money did not get the money. And being very nice and kind of them, they decided to disburse this money out in December of 2024, and the majority of taxpayers who are eligible to receive this money will start getting the alert in their account by the end of January. Yes, nice. January 2025. This same month, you will start receiving some money. So listen, if you get this money, don't fret, don't be scared, don't freak out. It's the money that you were due, but you left on the table for the IRS, and they have decided to give it back to you. Now, if you did not file your tax return in 2021, the IRS is giving you up until April 15, 2025 to go ahead and file that return so that you can still be eligible for that recovery rebate. Now you'll say, why wouldn't somebody file their 2021 return? Listen, some people, they felt like they didn't make enough money to even file in the first place. Some people felt like the money that they made was too small and they did not need to file. But the IRS is telling you it doesn't matter whether you made money or not in 21, whether you made too little or that you felt like it was not necessary for you to file. Go ahead and file that return on or before April 15, 2025. I'm referring to the 2021 tax return. Go ahead and file that return, and the IRS is saying when you file and they deem you eligible, they will send you your $1,400 up to a maximum of $1,400 in your account. Some taxpayers have closed their previous bank account. Do not be afraid. When they send the money to that account and the account no longer exists, the bank will send it back to the IRS, and then the IRS will mail you a check at your address. So you will be receiving a check. And so for some people, for those who never received their refund from bank account, the IRS will send you a check. If your bank account no longer exists, they will also send you a check. And the IRS will follow that process with a letter. To any taxpayer who gets this money, you will also be receiving a letter from the IRS telling you that you got this money. Is the Economic Impact Payment 3 that was for 2021, and how it was calculated based on your adjusted gross income. So that is the news that I have for you guys. It's very short and simple. Another thing I want to let you know is that this amount, this recovery rebate, does not count as income for you towards your week, towards your Social Security income, towards your temporary assistance for needy families. It doesn't count as income, so it's not going to affect your eligibility in that aspect. Again, it's $1,400 going to taxpayers who were eligible for recovery rebate but never got it, maybe because they felt like they just put 0 on that tax return, or they filed the 2021 and did not know that they were supposed to have put it there. Congratulations to you guys who will be receiving it. If you have any questions, feel free to check our website, www.doballc.com. Send a message, join our newsletter. We promise not to spam you. We're so excited for this information and we couldn't wait to let you know about it. Thank you so much for listening. Subscribe, share, like, follow. Thank you. Love you. Bye.